Hi everyone, my name is Madeline Tan. So welcome to Madeline's Kitchens. Today I'm going to prepare a halal dishes which is named as steamed chicken with scallion oil. These are the ingredients that we are required for steaming the chicken with scallion oil. So the first one will be the 230 grams of the boneless chicken chop, the olive oil which is made of halal. So the ml which is required for the steaming the chicken is about 30 ml, and then the salt. So the salt we only require for a quarter of spoonful salt. So 6 pieces of the baby corn, and then the 5 gram of the ginger which need to cut into slices, and then the 10 gram of the green onions. Smear the chicken with a quarter of salt in order to make the chicken to have a base flavor. After that, we need to massage both sides of the chicken in order to make the chicken to feel the texture. Place a few of the baby corns on the plate. Followed by then, place the chicken with the skin part facing upward. After that, which means that it is ready to be steamed. Add 500 of warm water inside the cooking pot. After that, on the induction cooker and we adjust the temperature which is required for the water to be cooked. And then now we boil the water first. Okay, so we left it until the water boils. So now the water is boiled already, and then followed by next we put the chicken inside the cooking pot, and then we adjust the timer for 30 minutes. Then we left it steam for 30 minutes. So while waiting for the chicken to be steamed, now we can start to prepare the remaining materials, which is the ginger and also the green onions. So now we need to cut the ginger into slices. We need to cut the green onion into slices, same with the ginger. We peel it off, one, and then we cut it into half. Okay, like that. We cut it into slices. After we done, after 30 minutes, now we can take out the chicken. Okay. And then we left it for cooling, because after cooling for a while, it's easier for us to cut the chicken meat. pour 30 ml of olive oil. So now we pour the 30 ml of olive oil. After that, we need to preheat it with 10 minutes. It's about 180 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now put it aside. And then we proceed this step by using the air fryer. Now we on the air fryer, and now it's 180 degrees Celsius, and now it's 10 minutes. After it's done, then we can start. After preheat, then we can put the green onions inside for it to deep fry about 2 minutes. After the chicken has been cooled for a while, now we take it and cut. So we cut the chicken into slices. So after we done cutting, then we place the chicken back on the top of the baby corn.